Good morning. Welcome to the docket for County Court of Law number 4 for December the 12th, 2022. This proceeding being broadcast live via YouTube in compliance with the Open Courts Act. It is not to be recorded, re-recorded, or redisseminated for any purposes whatsoever. I've only got a few attorneys on here. Mr. Strickland, what you got?
Good morning, Judge. I have Alexandra Sanchez. It's 681-322.
Okay.
We actually appeared back in October, Judge, and we had this down that we were going to be set for trial in February. And then I just saw that we were on this docket, and so I got on to just touch base so that we can get on the same page.
Stephanie, can you check when their trial setting is?
What was that? I'm sorry, Judge.
On Alexandria Sanchez, 681-322. Mr. Porter's office was under the impression that they were on the trial docket for February.
I believe so. Just give me 1 second. My password expired on my account.
Okay. Sure look into that for you, Joe.
No problem.
Ms. Espinosa, what you got?
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Good, man.
Yeah, I'm sure better because the Cowboys won.
Yeah, of course.
I have Josh Hartman, and he is here. Joshua Hartman, he's here. I needed to confer with the state on the one case, and on the other, we have filed a motion to modify the bond conditions, and we are in the process of securing an affidavit from the complaining witness.
Very good, ma'am. As soon as you get that, resend it to me, and we'll address that accordingly. Okay.
Okay, that sounds good.
Put you in a breakout room with a state.
Thank you, Judge.
Put you in breakout room number 2 with Jessica.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Major, what you got? There you go.
Good morning, Judge. I have a off-docket case. We took a plea a couple weeks ago, and my client's second case was going to be dismissed.
Okay.
And we still haven't gotten the dismissal paperwork, and probation isn't taking, or pretrial, I should say, isn't taking off my client's GPS ankle monitor until we get that dismissal entered. I think the court remembers when we brought this to your attention the last time. I'm just trying to follow up on that. I have the case number. If
let me put you in breakout room number 2. You can talk to the state so they can get it filed. Okay.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
There you go. Breakout room 2.
Thank you, Judge.
Tony Hernandez, what you got?
Morning, Judge. I have an Andrew Pettis. We were
Yes, sir.
just retained on that, Judge. We haven't had the discovery yet, so if I could just reset it, we can get the discovery and I can speak to the prosecutors.
Andrew Pettis.
And he's on screen. We just got retained. Douglas Campmeyer was on it before us, Judge. I think he's on the docket.
Oh, okay. Let me find him right quick. Oh, yeah, okay. Stephanie, can you give me some dates, please?
Yes, Judge. 2/17/33, 2/13.
We'll give you February 17th, Tony.
Thank you, Judge. And Mr. Pettis is present, so we may be excused.
Yes, you and Mr. Pettis are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Vargas, what you got?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on behalf of Saul Miranda,
Okay.
664358. Mr. Miranda is still working on some mitigation, Judge. He's about to submit some character letters. So if we can get one final pre-trial hearing.
Okay, final reset of February 17th. If you work it out sooner, let us know, okay?
All right, Judge. I have another one, Rodolfo Campos.
Okay.
Yeah, he's ready to take the offer. Can we set him for a plea?
Yeah, Stephanie, what date you got for please?
Judge, it'd be this week, would be the 14th.
14th, Carlos, in person.
14th in person. All right. Cool, that works. Thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse.
We'll see you then.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Who's in the courtroom? Mr. Healy? Did I see Mr. Healy up there?
Yeah, Mr. Healy walked out, Judge, but Tim Roundtree's here.
Mr. Roundtree, what you got, sir?
Morning, Judge. I have Jonathan Ramirez and let's see.
Dante Martinez.
Judge, I need to confirm those. I'd like to step in the hallway and log in on Zoom so I can talk to the prosecutor.
That'd be fine, sir.
Thanks.
All righty. Ms. Settle?
Good morning, Judge. I have Derek Elliott. I guess I need to confer, the ADA was going to reach out to the complainant.
Okay, let me go ahead and put you in breakout room 2.
Thank you.
Joe, did you get your stuff straightened out?
Oh, I was just waiting to hear back from Stephanie, Judge.
Okay, she's having computer issues.
Not a problem. Thank you.
If you need to go ahead and take off, she
Judge-
can email you with
Judge,
with your setting.
can I get that case number one more time for him?
It's 681322.
Let's see, Alexandria Sanchez. You needed a February date, you said?
Yeah, Carly appeared back in October, and she just had notes that
Okay.
we discussed a February 27th trial date.
Yes, give me 1 second. Let me just double check that.
Not a problem.
February. Yes, that's correct.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
We'll see y'all then. Thank you.
All right, take care.
Have a good day.
Mr. Hille, what you got?
I have in the courtroom case number 696575, Adam DeCento. It's his first time in court. Can we please get 60 days
For what?
for me to get an offer at discovery and for me to communicate the offer to him? It's my first time meeting him in the courtroom today.
696 what?
696575.
What's your first setting, Mr. Hille? We'll give you February 17th.
Thank you. And I'm not sure, is it easier to go in a virtual breakout room? Because I don't see no prosecutor in the courtroom to confirm my other case.
She's
I
in the back.
can't hear you. You need to get closer to the mic.
Oh, the bailiff already answered my question. Thank you.
Okay, good.
Judge, he also has one at an MTR as well, so.
You want to, who else you got at?
I have Mr. Giancarlo. He said from Friday. I'm just trying to get an offer this morning. And I know,
Okay.
Off docket.
You need to log on. We can't confer from the courtroom. You need to log on so you can talk to probation.
and I also need to get, he has new cases too. So I need to get an offer on
That's
these.
the one that he had set it for plea, I think, and there was no recommendation ever made.
Okay, you need to log on from your phone or somewhere, Mr. Hille, so you can confer with
The
the
state.
So I need to log on for that. Thank you, Anna.
Yeah, log on.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Wheeler, what you got?
I'm here on Walter Wahlberg, Your Honor. Sorry, I had a little technical problem and got on a minute late.
No problem. Walter Wahlberg, okay? So you were retained on this?
Yes, Judge.
Okay,
I'd like to confer with the state.
okay. Let me put you in breakout room number, Mr. Maru, is he on? Yeah,
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
okay, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 1. And Mr. Wheeler going to breakout room 1.
Okay, Judge.
There you go.
I'll be back, Walter.
Okay, Tim, you need to confirm?
I do, Judge.
Okay, let me put you in breakout room 2.
Thank you.
There you go. Are there any other attorneys on the screen that I have not spoken with? Attorneys only. Okay, everyone else, have you heard I didn't call the docket, I just let the attorneys confer. Just sit tight, go ahead and keep yourself muted. You can keep your camera on or you can turn it off, it's up to you. But keep yourself muted until the court addresses you. Mr. Schott, what do you need? You need to unmute yourself, sir.
Okay. Hi, sir. I don't see my attorney here.
Who's your attorney?
Richard Garcia.
Okay, he'll log on here in a bit.
Okay.
Are you excuse me, are you at work?
No, I'm not at work right now.
Okay, just sit tight until Mr. Garcia logs on, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. Jaime Aldape, what you got?
Good morning, Judge. I have Mr. Jose Barrera. This case has been reset because he's not a U.S. citizen. It's my understanding that he has talked to an immigration attorney and he's a Spanish speaker. We would like to set it for a plea whenever is best for the court, Judge.
This Thursday, in person at 10 a.m.
This Thursday, I apologize, Judge. I believe I'm in federal court in Del Rio. Can I just pull up my calendar real quick?
Sure. George Valley, I said, too bad, you gotta take a plea here.
I know. I'm gonna be like, hey, the most important judge in the world.
Judge, we can do Friday as well. We have a motion in the morning on Thursday.
Okay, how about Friday?
Friday, I can't. my boy's having foot surgery, so I'm like
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
gonna
Wednesday,
be-
I'm in Del Rio at 10:30 in the morning. I can do the 19th. I can do the 20th. I can
I'm not
do,
here on the 19th and 20th.
We can we do January give me 1 second, sorry.
Sorry to not be so amenable, Judge. It's just the end of the years.
Hey, man,
5th or
it happens.
6th? January 5th or 6th?
January 6th is a Friday. That's perfect.
Okay, let's do January 6th.
And Stephanie, I will send you his email address.
It's gonna
just
be
with
in
the-
person.
Oh, in person.
Yes.
Okay.
10 a.m.
Perfect. May we both be excused, Judge.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Barrera, ya se puede ir, señor.
Okay, thank you, juez. Gracias.
Mary Petercheck, what you got?
Good morning, Judge. I think I have Lauren Torres on the docket.
Yes, you do.
She has a felony pending.
Okay.
Yes.
We'll give you March the 3rd, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Claudine, what you work out?
I was conferring with Jessica. She made an offer on the ABI and she actually made one on the obstruction, but I told her he's on deferred already. So she's going to look into it. She's going to send me an email. So I'm going to ask for a reset on these cases. Do you want me to address the motion right now itself, or I understand you have it. It's just a matter of getting the affidavit over to you.
Yeah, I've got it. And once you get the affidavit, send it over to me, okay?
Okay, that sounds good,
And
Judge.
if you can reattach the motion in the order, because I'll never
Happy
find
to
them.
do so. No.
I get about-
No,
I
it's
get
a good
500
idea.
emails a day, so.
Your Honor, if I can approach you on one thing though, tomorrow is the complaining witness's birthday. Would they have permission to celebrate her birthday together?
Yeah, I need some documentation on that.
Okay, if we can get the affidavit to you today, then.
Yes, today, that wouldn't be a problem, but he may want to celebrate her birthday and she may not. So I need to make sure. I need to make sure that I have that in writing.
Okay, that sounds good, Judge. All right, thank you. Could I be placed in a breakout room with Mr. Hartman? And then from there, may we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes,
Thank you, Judge. Good to see you.
good to see you.
And Stephanie too. Good to see you.
Okay, Colleen, go into breakout room number. Mr. Hartman, go into breakout room number 5 with Ms. Espinosa.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There we go. All right.
And I also need a breakout room, Your Honor. Thank you for the state.
Give me just a second, Mr. Haley. Mr. Healy, you want to go into breakout room?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, do you want to confer?
Yes, I need an offer, Giancarlo, please.
Okay, breakout room number 1. There you go. If I'm gonna step away for a couple minutes, okay?
Jessica, quick question. For the motion to suppress, have you spoken with the defense on that?
For Mr. Stevens,
Yes.
today's motion. I have no. I have not. I have reached out to him earlier, but he just wanted to proceed with that.
Okay, alrighty.
Okay.
So but you did contact him, you did talk to him today or no?
Not today, prior.
I'm here.
Oh, you're here? Okay. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Alrighty. Okay, well, he is here. Perfect. Okay, anybody needing to confer? Mr. Wheeler, you done conferring?
I'm done conferring with the state.
Yes, Judge, sorry.
Okay, Mr. Wheeler, what you got?
Judge, for some reason, I've never been, Nick could see my notice of appearance and motions, but I've never been tagged on this case as the attorney of record. That's why I've never received the discovery that was uploaded.
Okay. I apologize. It may have never made it to my clerks. Stephanie, can you put Mr. Wheeler on that case so he can get his discovery?
Yes, I was going to do that just now, Judge. Mr. Wheeler, if you can chat me your bar number, please, and I can
Yes.
do it right now.
Okay.
And then I'll give you a reset date of February 17th, Dave.
Okay, and if I could go into a breakout room with my client for a few minutes.
Okay. Mr. Wahlberg, are you on? There you are. Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Wahlberg, I'm going to put you, send you an invitation to go into breakout room number 4 with Mr. Wheeler. And Mr. Wheeler, once y'all are done there, you're free to go, sir.
Okay, and that's been updated.
All right, Dave's going to breakout room 4. There we go.
Thanks, Judge.
All right.
Thanks, Stephanie.
Ms. Settle, what'd you work at? Or have you conferred?
I did confer, Judge, and that's going to be dismissed today. It's on Derek Elliott.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. I'll sign it as soon as I get it.
Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks.
Dan Rodriguez, what you got?
I have a Samurai Talbert 678, 660, and 61. I have an offer. I've been given an offer. So I just need a little time for my client to accept or reject it.
Okay. You're on your 5th setting.
Okay.
I'll tell you what, I'll give you 217. It's the last pretrial. After that, it goes on call docket, okay? If you work it out sooner, let us know, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Judge. You have a good day.
Continue, Dan.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Priest, what you got?
Morning, Judge. I had Etta Velasquez, if I could confer with the state, please.
Yes, sir. You have a case number on her?
Yeah, I don't know if she's on your docket this morning, Judge. I had her.
724, Judge.
Yes,
First one on the
that's an old case.
Yeah, it's an old one.
All right, let's put you in breakout room number 1 with Mr. Maroon.
Thank you, Judge.
There you go. All right. I'm back in a second. Mr. Roundtree, what you got, sir?
Hey, Judge, okay, on Dante Martinez, the state has made us an offer today, so I'll ask for a reset to
I'm gonna put you on call docket because you're on your 7th setting, so I'm gonna put you for 213 call docket. If you work it out sooner, please let us know.
Great. And then
what about Mr. Ramirez?
On Mr. Ramirez, I'm sending in the mitigation stuff my client has done. They're probably gonna have to discuss it with Jamisa.
I can't.
If we can reset it to the same day, that's fine.
Okay, we'll put you on 213.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right. I'll be right back, Steve.
Stephanie? Ms. Claudine, what's going on? Hi, Judge. I forgot, I didn't get the reset date.
That was on,
On Joshua Hartman.
what did you request? Did you request to be put on the trial docket or what was it? Or a plea or what was it?
Just a reset, because Jessica's looking into both cases. She made me an offer on the obstruction, but I told her I'm covering for somebody else, but I'm pretty sure he's on deferred already. And she was gonna look into things. So
Okay.
she has no position on the
Oh, yeah,
motion to
yeah.
enter.
Oh, well, one of these is an MTR, right?
Yes, it is. That's what I was trying to tell her. It's like, I think it is. And when I looked it up, I said, yeah, it is. And she says, okay, well, let me look into it. So I don't think she has a position yet on where they stand with the motion to enter.
Elisa, what's going on with this?
This is on Hartman.
Yes.
Yes.
It has a brand new assault out of County Court 13 that Stephanie was going to try to get transferred over. And that 1 and 13 is set for December 20th.
Okay.
It hasn't been moved over yet. Stephanie said she was going to request it.
Okay. I'll tell you what, Claudine, for right now, let's wait to see what's going to happen with the new case in 13. I mean, it's probably get transferred over here, and maybe y'all can work a package deal on everything.
Okay, that sounds good. So we'll just stand by on the date. Yeah, because we do have a copy of the order from Judge Speedland Gonzalez ordering that the case be transferred, but I checked online and I hadn't seen anything.
Oh, she wasn't
as far
transferred
as
over
it-
there?
No, it's no. It's Judge Speedland Gonzalez transferred it from her court to your court.
Okay.
Yes,
We
that's
received an
correct,
order,
Judge.
but
It's
not in
already,
the system.
it's already transferred.
Elisa said it hasn't been transferred yet.
It hasn't?
Not on Mocha.
What's the cause number?
694852.
Hold on. Okay, I requested it already. I don't know. It was signed for some
Rosie
reason.
signed the order.
Yeah, it
hasn't
was.
been transferred over.
Yeah, it was signed. That's right, because I sent it right away and I thought.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's still showing
Get
13
Claudine, because she said
for December 20th.
Okay, because I can't change it in the system until it's transferred over here.
Okay,
okay, well,
then
let's go ahead and put ours for the 20th. And
Okay.
then Claudine, depending on if it's still over there by that time, just go ahead and appear over there. And if it gets transferred over here, just let Stephanie know and she'll give you a reset date, okay?
okay, that sounds good. All right, thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you. You as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mr. Heggie, what you got?
Hey, Judge. I'm here for Michael Guerrero. I'd like to confer. Do you need the last digit of his case, or do they all confer?
Hang on a second.
696-586. Criminal mischief.
He has a felony pending?
Yeah, felony pending, Judge.
Okay, I want to give you a reset date of March the 3rd. You want to go ahead and confer? Or you want to just confer via email?
I'm going to confer briefly just because there's a no contact order that we're trying to get changed. So I want to talk to him about that.
Okay, go ahead and break out room number 1 with Mr. Maru.
Thank you, Judge.
There we go. Mr. Priest, what'd you work out?
Judge, on Ms. Velasquez, the state is tendering a dismissal.
All righty, I will sign that as soon as it hits my box.
And is she present in court, Your Honor?
Ken, is Ms. Velasquez in the courtroom?
Yes, she is.
Okay, her case is being dismissed. She is free to go.
All right, Judge.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Ms. Carter, what you got?
Hi, Judge. I'm here for Mr. Christian Powell. If I could confer with the ADA, I'd appreciate it.
Okay. That's an odd, so I'll put you in breakout room 2.
Thank you.
Definitely tomorrow, we're gonna log on at 9:30 because Bridget Garza has to approach me on a violation report for her client.
Okay.
So we're gonna log on early at 9:30 to get it on the record.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Is Candy? Oh, look, I'll let Candy know. I guess. We have the motion tomorrow, so yeah,
Okay,
you should be here. Let's
I'm gonna go talk to you in just a second.
Okay. Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
Stephanie, can I be put in a room with Pilar?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, if you can log into Zoom, so you can confer with your.
We don't confer from the courtroom, ma'am. It needs to be, you need to log on a separate device, please.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Acevedo, what you got?
Have Ricardo Luna on the docket.
Ricardo Luna?
Yes, sir. I think it might be on the trial docket.
Okay, what are we gonna do? You still got the felony pending?
Yeah, Judge, what happened with him is, we did a request for psych eval and he's been deemed incompetent. And they're working on possible restoration. So I'd ask for like a 90-day reset. I don't anticipate that they're gonna be able to restore him, but
okay,
they do.
We'll give you March the 3rd, okay?
Okay, he's in my office, Your Honor. May he be excused? I don't think he's on the Zoom, but he is physically in my office.
That's fine, as long as you have contact with him.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good, haven't you? The young one who
By accident, all three of them are lost.
law school, all three of them.
My son at 29. He's at Texas Southern. They're not middle one, it's Steel Ridge. I was on out. Yeah, this one is South Texas.
Okay, we're-
It's crazy. Those are a few of the good things that came out of COVID.
At least probably that's
Kind of been one, I mean, it's been bad, 3 paths. Now, there's also not checking for.
Yeah, really, you gotta get a loan fast.
And then there's a little work.
Yeah.
But for COVID, or something, I'll back to finish inspections. The middle one is just a CPA. She's doing audits for she was doing whatever. That's what it's like.
Yeah, sure.
And then the youngest one, that was the only one that I thought would feel. Just wanted to be self-sufficient. Yeah, 2 minutes.
Let's go.
2 minutes that I see. Still.
Mr. Carter, what'd you work at?
Judge, I spoke with ADA Thompson. She's going to reach out to the felony prosecutor. It's my understanding from Mr. Powell's felony attorney that they're making an offer to let him plea on the DWI and TIC, the felony, but she doesn't have notes to that effect. So
Okay.
she's going to reach out to Andrew in the 144th and get me an offer.
Okay, since it's got a felony pending, I'm gonna give you March the 3rd, but certainly if you work it out sooner, let us know, okay?
Okay, sounds great. Mr. Powell, did you hear that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sounds good. I'll be in touch, sir, if I hear anything before March 3rd.
And
Okay,
Terry, all pleas are in person, okay?
Yes, sir. I understand. I'll if we end up accepting the offer, I'll reach out to Stephanie to set it for in person.
All righty, thank you very
All
much.
right. Thanks, Judge.
Mr. Goins, what you got?
I wasn't for sure if I was on the docket today or not, Your Honor.
I don't think you are, Mike.
I had the date down, but I never got a notice.
Who's your client, you know?
Enrique Ramos, it was a conditional dismissal. If I can talk to the DA real quick, I sent them the information.
Okay, let me put you in breakout room 2.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There you go.
Judge, did he see if that was on Donald Clark?
Did he say it was on who?
Did he say a name? Donald Clark, maybe? He didn't give you a name, right?
He didn't say that name.
Yeah, okay. If it was Donald Clark, it was dismissed. That's why he didn't get a notice.
Hey, Steph.
What'd you work out, Austin?
I worked out that I need to go to felony, and then then they'll decide if they want to agree with what felony wants to do in the no contact order, which makes sense. So I'm going to do that. You got my chat, Stephanie? That's what I was going to ask you. Okay, I just wanted to get that updated because I haven't got a docket, I don't think, in a couple months.
We'll give you March 3rd, okay?
You stop changing emails on me, Austin.
I think I probably, there's been a lot of email changes. They're hoping no more email changes. That's my rule for 2023. I'm gonna make it at least 12 months of the same email.
All right, I got it. Yeah, I'll update it in the system.
All right, Austin, good seeing you, man. You're good to go.
All right, thanks, Judge. I really like your picture there that you got, for your default picture. It looks very distinguished.
You like that? I am distinguished. That's why it looks that way.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what it is. I apologize for not recognizing that. Bye, Judge. You have a good day.
Take care, man. If I don't see you, have a good holiday.
Yeah, you too. Bye, Steph. You'll have a good holiday if I don't see you guys.
Mike, what's your work at?
The state's going to file the dismissal on 634-719, Mr. Enrique Ramos.
Okay.
It was a racing on highway charge.
All right, I will get that signed off as soon as it hits my box.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Good to see you, Mike.
Good seeing you too, Judge.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in the courtroom to do the motion to suppress.
Okay, Judge.
Do we log off here, Judge?
Let me see. Is Jessica conferring as well? I'll ask Judge. Give me 1 second, okay?
No worries.
Nicholas, Judge said yes. If you can go ahead and head on down.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Elisa, I guess we'll just start resetting people. Mr. Shroop, who's your attorney? Oh, we got a felony pending. It's Richard Garcia. Your reset date is going to be March the 3rd, okay?
March the 3rd, for this case?
Yes.
Okay, I had a question about that felony pending. It's been pending for a minute now. How does that work? Does it just go away one day or show up? Or
no? You need to get with your attorney.
Misdemeanors because he's telling me that they're not letting me move forward on my misdemeanors because of the pending felony. But if I'm not charged with it and it's pending, then how come I can't handle my current cases?
I'm not sure. That's something you need to speak with your attorney about. I don't know who your felony attorney is, but you'd have to talk to him on that.
I believe it's all Richard Garcia, but he is not helpful.
Well, when you have a felony pending, there's really not much he can do until that felony gets resolved somehow. So you'd have to speak with him. It's something I can't talk to you about. It's something he would have to talk to you about because he is appointed to your cases. Okay.
Do you know if he's got a new phone number? Because I keep trying to contact him on the number that is listed.
He may be on vacation. He had a vacation notice in, so he's actually going to probably be on vacation until January, if I'm not mistaken. So
Thank
just
you.
FYI. Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
All right, March the 3rd, you said?
Yes, March 3rd.
Same time?
I'm not sure. That's something you have to discuss with him. As of right now, we're still via Zoom. Come the new year, I'm not too sure what the new orders will be with the courts. Okay.
Thank you.
But just check in a few days before.
Thank you.
No problem. Desiree, your court date's going to be reset to February the 17th. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Let's see. Who else? Pilar? I'm going to give you a court date of February 13th, and that's going to be jury trial setting just because your case has been reset multiple times, okay? You're muted. Sorry.
I apologize. Is that going to be through Zoom as well?
Honestly, I'm not sure. Like I told the other gentleman, we have orders till the end of the year. Come the new year, we won't know. The court will just, if you want to call the court a few days before, and we'll see from there. But hopefully by then we'll be in person, but I don't want to tell you yes or no. So I would just call the court so you don't have to drive down here, okay?
Okay, and it does show that my court attorney is Miss Silver.
Yes, Ms. Silver is your attorney, and she did check in earlier, but she's going to log in again. She's going to have to confer via email because my DAs are currently starting a motion to suppress. So
Okay, and what is her first name?
it's, I believe it's Ariely.
Ariely, okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, I think so. I'm not sure. Yes, but I know her last name is Silver.
And then I can also get that information from her, my case number and the name.
Oh, your case number? I have your case number here. It's 667-650.
667-650. And then the name of the offense, by any chance?
I'm sorry?
The name of the offense?
It's failure to stop and give info.
Okay. I appreciate that. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Justin, your court date's going to be 2/17. Okay, sir?
2/17?
Yes. If you can let Miss Caldarello know.
Okay, I'll give her a call. Thank you.
Hey, Lisa, what y'all work out on the, what was the court date that we gave Claudine?
We didn't. Judge said he was gonna just reset it for 12/20 with the County Court 13 case. And then just whatever, if it's transferred over by that time, then I guess we'll just go from there.
12:20.
12:20 is when the 13 case is set.
I know, but we don't have docket that day.
Oh, I don't know.
Let me see. I'm just gonna have to stay on that other case. I'm gonna have to call Sybil. You want me to reset it for that first week of January?
Yeah, I mean, to me, it doesn't matter. It's a new number 1 assault, so I'm sure it's not gonna be ready anytime soon.
Okay, I'm gonna reset it for that first week of January, and then we'll go from there.
Okay. What date?
I'm gonna do January 6th, that Friday. Or I can do the 5th. Either way, whichever you prefer.
The 6th is fine.
Mr. Finch, I don't know his last name, but
Shank, yes.
3-3, March 3rd. He's got felonies and he's in jail and
Okay, perfect.
all kinds of stuff.
I'm working on that. I just wanted to stop by and make sure since I was on the docket. Y'all enjoy the rest of your morning.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I think we have anybody else. I think that's about it. Mr. Hilly, I'm gonna set him for trial.
Oh, what happened with that, Stephanie? Because it was an MTR and a new case.
So on the Carmen one, I'm resetting for 2-3. That's a jury trial. And the other one, that was
the off docket one from last week.
Yes, he's supposed to confer. I don't know. I don't even have the case number on that one.
Oh, he should be in the breakout room with the DA. It's 625468 is the MTR.
No one's in the breakout room. Everybody's gone already. Let me see. What was it? 6.
The new case is 691084.
Godlo, right? That was, yeah, they were set for Friday. Both of them were. What are we gonna do on them? Do you know?
I have no idea. The new number 1's a violation of a protective order. Remember, he told y'all he wanted to set today for a plea. And then today he came and I had spoken with Art and he hadn't even extended an offer.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna reset it for 1-5.
Okay, that's.
So at least it's, shoot.
Can you shoot me his email address? That way I can send him the MTR with our recommendation. So they'll be ready on that as well. Because he didn't even speak to me on that one either.
Okay, yeah, well. That one, I know his email is weird. It's like TF. Let me go, yeah, it's TF Hilly. I'm gonna send it to you right now. Let me go do something real quick because I gotta tell you something, but I want to take us off YouTube.